Okay, so this time you're given a question that's not in standard form, but you're asked to use the quadratic formula to find the x-intercepts. So let's put it in standard form. First thing we should do is expand. Okay, I have brackets on the left side, so let me draw a little divider here. We're looking at our left side and our right side. Let's work with the left side first. Good, we're going to use distributive property and multiply. 3x times x is what? 3x squared. Then I'm multiplying 3x times what? Negative 4, good, which is negative 12x. And then we have our plus 2x. We'll leave that for now. Is there anything I can do on the right side of the equation? Yeah, I need to distribute this negative 4 times this and this, right? Because that's what's inside the bracket, and the negative 4 is in front of that. So I'm going to leave the x squared. We can't do anything with this right now. Then it's negative 4 times x is negative 4x. And then it's negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. Okay, so standard form has to be set equal to 0, and it's in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. This is still not in standard form. So we want to bring all of our terms to the left side of the equation, right? So on the left side right now we have, sure, yeah, 3x squared minus 12x plus 2x. I have a positive x squared term on the right side. It becomes negative x squared. I have a negative 4x on the right side. It becomes positive 4x. And then I have a positive 12. It becomes negative 12. And I'm left with nothing on the right side. Okay, so I actually had to move this. Oops. Thanks. Okay, so I just had to move my equal sign because I didn't have enough space. So I have all my terms on the left side, and I have nothing on the right side. We're getting closer to standard form, right? Which is set equal to 0. But now what's the next step? I have all these terms on the left side. Is there anything I can do with the terms? Yeah. Put all your like terms together. How do you know if two terms are alike? Same variable, same exponent. So let's circle. I have a 3x squared term. Are there any other terms that have x squared? Negative x squared. I'm just rearranging this. I'm not moving it from one side to the other. I'm just rearranging it. I'm shuffling them around. Okay? The next term I have here is negative 12x. Are there any other terms that are just with an x? 2x and 4x. So let's rewrite those. Negative 12x plus 2x plus 4x. And then my last term here is negative 12, which is a constant term. Do I have any other terms that are just constant terms? So that's just going to stay by itself. This is equal to 0. Now that we've put all of our like terms together, we can simplify. So I color-coded it for you so you know which terms to add and subtract together. So what's 3x squared minus x squared? 2x squared. What's a negative 12 plus 2 plus 4? Good. Negative 6x. And then we have our minus 12. All of this is equal to 0. And now this is in standard form. So what is A? A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. What is B equal to? Good. B is equal to negative 6. And C is equal to? C is negative 12. Good. So now plug in your values into the quadratic formula and find the x-intercepts. Okay, so x is equal to negative 6, because B is negative, plus minus negative 6 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 12 divided by 2 times 2. So let's simplify this. X equals 6 plus minus 6 squared is 36. What's negative 4 times 2? Negative 8 times negative 12. What's 12 times 8? Plus 96 divided by 4. Okay, so x equals 6 plus minus the square root of what?
Yeah, I got x equals
136 divided by 4. Meant to write 132. Sorry, thank you. Okay, let's flip to the next page so we have more space. So x equal to 6 plus the square root of 132 divided by what? 4. And x is equal to 6 minus the square root of 132 divided by 4. What's the square root of 132?
It's 11.48.
Okay, divided by 4, and then x equals 6 minus 11.48 divided by 4.
37.
So approximately 4.37, and x equals
1.37.
negative 1.37. Okay, good.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.